Now we know how to create programs. It's simply a matter of putting the right instructions together in the proper logical order. But what happens if we put the right instructions in the wrong order? Imagine that we make our robot friend turn right and then move forward from the starting point. The robot would go off the path and our poor friend would be confused. It's common to make mistakes when programming. In fact, programming often calls for trial and error. However, it is important to remove all these errors before our program is complete. Programmers refer to errors in code as bugs. The origin of using the word bug to describe an error in a program dates all the way back to 1945, when computers were as big as a large room. Grace Hopper, a computer scientist at the time, had a problem with one of her programs. It was quickly discovered that a moth had managed to jam itself in one of the components of the computer, causing errors in the code. From then on, using the word bug to describe an error in code became popular. Now, let's look at the code for our little robotic friend. Someone previously wrote some code to get him to his goal. Unfortunately, they made a mistake. If we hit the Run Code button, we will see our robot friend leave the intended path. We can see that the robot turns to its right a little too early. Let's fix this bug in our code editor by adding another robot.forward instruction before robot.right. Once you are done, try your code once again by hitting Run Code to make sure the bug was properly squished.